Hello guys, hope you're doing great. We are back with another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum into HEX. For that, we need to go into CoinMarketCap website and then we click on search bar, we click on HEX, and here it is. Now we go down here into the contract section and we click on this icon. So we copy the address. And please guys, make sure that you are on the CoinMarketCap website for the safest and the correct crypto address that you will need. Okay, now we go to the Uniswap website, we click on launch app, and then we connect our address. For that, there is a bunch of address and wallet, like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Formatic, Portes, but in our case we will be using the MetaMask wallet. For that, you can just click on metamask.io and download the MetaMask from here. And then you go back to the website, you connect your wallet, and then you open it. Please guys, make sure that you are on the Ethereum main network, and then you click on import tokens, custom tokens, and click right here. And that's how you get the token in your wallet. A token, import token, and here you are. Now you can see the token in your wallet. You can see right now. And please guys, I suggest that you are using the CoinMarketCap website to get the others, because you can get scammed. So to prevent that, please use it. Now we come back here, and here you go. Select the token, pass the token address, import it, and here you can see Ethereum into HEX or reverse HEX into Ethereum. So guys, that was the video for today. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and a comment, and if you want more tutorials, please check our channel and subscribe. See ya.